SFS Group is a trusted leader in fastening solutions and the creator of the isoweld stand-up tool, a revolutionary product in the low-slope fastening industry. At the heart of the isoweld stand-up tool is our cutting-edge induction welding technology. With its precise control and superior heating capabilities, this innovative system ensures reliable and consistent welds. The stand-up tool offers unmatched speed and efficiency, making time-consuming mechanical fasteners a thing of the past. We have incorporated advanced weld integrity features to provide peace of mind for the building owner and OEM during installations. Our system's integrated monitoring technology ensures optimal weld quality, reducing the risk of structural failures and costly rework. The tool's ergonomic design offers unparalleled comfort and convenience for installers. When paired with the handheld inductor, the isoweld tool is able to weld around any roof obstacles, such as HVAC units, drains, or pipes. Engineered to last, the stand-up tool is built to withstand the toughest conditions. With its robust construction and high-quality materials, it stands up to the demands of challenging environments, ensuring reliable performance project after project. By choosing the isoweld stand-up tool, you'll experience a new level of efficiency and cost savings. With its rapid installation speed, reduced labor costs, and minimized material waste, the tool improves your bottom line while delivering exceptional results. Contact us today to learn more about the isoweld stand-up tool from SFS Group and join the future of low-slope fastening.